Have you ever wondered how Chrisean Rock's journey led her to a remarkable home? Today, we're taking you inside the luxurious $2.6 million home of Chrisean Rock, the American rapper and reality TV personality. This stunning home showcases Chrisean's success and unique style, offering a glimpse into her life beyond the spotlight. From the beautifully manicured lawn to the modern kitchen and cozy living room, every detail of this house reflects Chrisean's personality and taste. Join us as we explore the elegance and grandeur of Chrisean's $2.6 million home and discover the story behind this incredible achievement. Chrisean Rock, born Chrisean Eugenia Malone on March 14, 2000, is a well-known American rapper and reality television personality. She gained fame for her appearances on the Zeus Network reality series Baddies and her own show Blueface Chrisean, Chrisean Love. Growing up in West Baltimore with her 11 siblings, Chrisean faced many challenges. Her father was incarcerated for much of her childhood, and her mother struggled with drug addiction, leading to periods of homelessness for the family. Despite these hardships, Chrisean remained resilient and focused on her goals. Chrisean's career took off when she appeared on an OnlyFans show called Blue Girls Club, where she lived in rapper Blueface's mansion to showcase herself on his platform. This opportunity led to Blueface signing her to his label, Blueface LLC. Her time on the show was controversial, with some women expressing concerns about the environment and activities involved. In 2020, Chrisean released her debut single, Lonely, featuring Blueface. She followed this up with the popular song Vibe, which has amassed millions of streams on Spotify. Her success continued when she joined the cast of Baddies and its spin-off Blueface Chrisean Chrisean Love. Chrisean's personal life has also been in the spotlight. She dated Blueface from 2020 until their split in 2023. In January 2023, she announced her pregnancy with Blueface's child, and they welcomed their son, Chrisean Jesus Malone Jr., on September 3, 2023. Situated in a beautiful location, Chrisean's home is a true reflection of her success and dedication. The exterior of the house is striking, with a well-manicured lawn and a spacious backyard. Chrisean often takes walks in her backyard, enjoying the serenity and beauty of her surroundings. Inside, the house is tastefully decorated, reflecting Chrisean's personal style. The living room is cozy and inviting, with plush furniture and warm colours. The kitchen is modern and well-equipped, perfect for Chrisean's love of cooking and meal preparation. Chrisean's bedroom is a sanctuary with a comfortable bed and elegant furnishings. It is a place where she can relax and recharge, surrounded by beauty and luxury. One of the highlights of Chrisean's home is her closet, filled with designer clothes and accessories. Fashion Nova, a brand that Chrisean has been associated with, has a special place in her heart. She admires the brand for its great hospitality and stylish clothing. Due to her credit situation, Chrisean Rock couldn't buy the house and had to rent it instead. She paid a year in advance, totaling $165,000, which will be credited towards the following year when her credit improves. Chrisean expressed pride in this process, highlighting that starting in such a luxurious home with a spacious backyard was a great beginning for her. She is optimistic about her future and the progress she has made. Chrisean's backyard is a retreat where she can unwind and take a break from her busy life. It is a place of beauty and serenity where she can connect with nature and find peace. Once she shared her exciting plans for the future, including opening a restaurant and launching her own merchandise line. She expressed confidence in the quality of the food, as her sister is a skilled cook. Chrisean's goal is to bring love and positivity to everything she does, reflecting her commitment to creating a welcoming and positive environment for her customers and fans. Chrisean Rock faced a setback in September 2023 when she received a 4-year probation sentence due to a drug possession charge with intent to sell in Oklahoma. This news was a contrast to her usual positive updates and achievements. Despite this challenge, Chrisean remains determined and focused on moving forward in a positive direction. She continues to work on her music career and is devoted to being a loving mother to her son. Chrisean Rock's $2.6 million home is a testament to her hard work, dedication, and success. It is a place where she can relax, unwind, and enjoy the fruits of her labour. We hope you enjoyed this glimpse into Chrisean's home. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.